guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another video. Another trip down to Boston. Yeah. So it's now 4:22. So almost nice, but not quite. So I'm like at that. There's a big little rest area right before the border of Maine. At it's like 30 miles out. I stopped here, got some food and some water. Took a little walk around because my legs are kind of hurting. But yeah. So I forgot to start earlier, but basically I had tech this morning, left right after that. Went to KFC, got that spicy chicken sandwich. Pretty good, still like it. I don't know how many days I'll be gone, but I have the in and the out for John Legend tomorrow at the Orpheum Theater. And then I have the out for Michael Bublé at the Garden tomorrow on Monday night. And so hopefully I get some things Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Packed up, did a fresh load of laundry and everything for my trip. Don't have how long I'm gone, but I'm all ready. Got everything prepared. So yeah, just a few more hours from here. It's gonna, probably I'm probably more than halfway now, I think. But it's that last hour because getting there at a bad time, getting there at rush hour. I mean, it's Saturday, so it might be a little easier. Definitely easier than going home on a Friday. I mean, going there on a Friday, but yeah, it shouldn't be. I mean, it's gonna hurt a lot. It'll be a little right after rush hour, not much. So just hope for the best, and hope finally I don't lose my mind in traffic. And, oh my gosh, the gas prices right now are insane. Like, the place I usually go to get the cheapest gas is $2.27. I mean, $3.27. It's $3.27. That's just insane. Oh. And right now, this place I am, the stop, it's $3.27 as well, and it's right along. It's insane, the gas prices. Hopefully, if find some cheap gas in Boston and stuff, and I'll fill up there, because it is expensive. It's getting bad, folks. I'm gonna keep going. And yeah, and hopefully I don't feel like dying in traffic. Right now I'm at AutoZone. You can see. Because my car had a misfire. I was thinking something was wrong. It had a misfire on cylinder 2. So I made it here, crawled here, just in case. It sounded worse and worse. So now I am going to try to see if it's the spark plug, and if it's not the spark plug, I'm in big doo-doo. I won't be able to go home probably, so or make it to my gigs. So I'll show you what kind of going on here right now. See, I've got my jackery hooked up to my fan. Just blowing on, getting some cool air in there, and I got some new stuff I bought, some new wrenches and stuff. And I got to get way down here. Those little guys right there. I have to remove the battery, and it's not gonna be fun, but we'll see how it goes. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm in Portsmouth. Just thought I'd let you guys know. But hopefully I fixed it. Knock on wood, hopefully I am all set. I should be all set. I still have a feeling it's not really fixed. Hopefully the spark plug just gets me to Boston, where I can do the rest, So yeah, it still feels a little rumbly, but it's not having the sputtering that it was having, so it might be an exhaust problem as well. I'm not really sure. Seems to accelerate fine, and seems to not sputter, so that's good. I'm just gonna try to go. If I feel a sputter, well, I have to find somewhere fast. It's gonna be the igniter coil, ignition coil, whatever that's called. If it's not that, it's air filter, fuel filter, which I doubt. So yeah, gotta find those guys. If it starts happening again, then I have 30 minutes to find a place, which they could sell them at Home Depot or something. So Hopefully I can do that. I think they close at 9, so maybe an hour extra. But a lot of places close at 8, so let's see. Hopefully all goes well. Wait. Oh, that's right. Alright, so I'm gonna hopefully stop at McDonald's down there. There's a little stretch break before Boston. Hopefully stop at McDonald's right there and grab a bite to eat, get some dessert too, and then go find a parking spot and go to sleep. Then get up at some time tomorrow to go do the end for John Legend at the Orpheum. So, alrighty, so it's now 9:20. I'm here finally, Museum of Fine Arts as always. So yeah, my call is, so the car still seemed a little kind of weird, but I made it. That's what's important. I can get my money, right? Call tomorrow for the inn for John Legend at the Orpheum is at 7 o'clock. So I'm gonna leave here at like 6 because I'm gonna go to the Prudential Center first to get a I think I'm gonna get a weekly pass for the green. What is it? Green line? The T? I don't know. I'm not a local. I don't know this stuff. But yeah. So for the green line, and I'm gonna get on there and go to the Orpheum, which is like right next to one of the whatchamacallem stations. I expect it to be fairly easy, not crazy. Probably some staging and stuff like that, but a bunch of lights probably, but nothing crazy, I don't think. But maybe, I don't know. It should probably only take like 6 hours max, I'd imagine. And then I'll come back, go back at 10, and do the out. So yeah, that's my what's tomorrow's looking like. So yeah. One weird thing today was so the gas on the like at one point I got it at 309, and I was really lucky. I'm like, that seems like probably the best deal I'm gonna get. So I got it at 309 right before I enter Boston, as I usually do. And oh boy, and then like a few miles later, it was 349. Literally 40 cents more in a few miles. It's crazy. Yeah. But I had McDonald's for dinner. I got the 2 cheeseburger meal with a Sprite. Pretty good, no pickles. I don't like pickles, as you guys know. So yeah. And then I went to Wendy's, which is also on the way, and grabbed a medium frosty. So yeah, I also grabbed this from a convenience store. Probably not gonna eat it now, but I'll try it out. Give my review a little bit later. It's looking like it's gonna be look like a good next couple days. We'll have to see where we go from after there. But you know, I'm really happy I'll get to work at the garden. That's really big for me. You know, that's pretty darn cool. Even if it's just 1 out, that's still pretty cool. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.